This YouTube channel, my personal YouTube channel, generated over $30,000 in 2021. There were three key factors that contributed to that success: niche content, a catalog of evergreen videos, and search engine optimization. If you ignore these three factors, you will waste countless years on YouTube uploading videos but never really getting any serious traction. Mastering these, however, will give you an edge against all the competition and will build a successful, profitable YouTube channel. As you can see right here, in 2021, we generated over 4.7 million views, 295,000 hours watched of my content, 42,000 subscribers gained, and $30,760.28 generated in AdSense revenue. As we already said, there were three specific factors that led to this success. Today, we dive deep into each one of those factors in particular and how you can use them to your advantage. All right, number one is niche content. So when you start out uploading on YouTube, the algorithm really has no clue who you are. They don't know what type of videos you make. The main source of views on YouTube and the main way to actually, go viral, so to speak, is to get the YouTube algorithm to figure out what kind of videos you make and have it start serving it to people on YouTube via suggested videos via the homepage. However, YouTube has one goal. They want to keep the viewer on YouTube. They will never suggest a video to you or to me or to anyone that they don't believe that viewer will actually want to watch and therefore stay on YouTube to watch, right? It's all about keeping that viewer on the platform. So when you first start out making content, the YouTube algorithm has no clue what type of content you make. You need to teach the algorithm what type of content you make so it can figure out what type of audience to serve your content to. Then it will push that content to that viewer who's already proven through their watch history that they enjoy videos like yours. And it's all this big game of, take a video that's gonna keep a viewer on YouTube, give it to that viewer to keep the viewer on YouTube. So how do we go about taking that knowledge of the algorithm and actually, using it to our benefit and leveraging it in our favor? We create lots of content in a specific niche. For example, like I said, video production. I uploaded a YouTube video every single day for 365 days when I was really hustling YouTube, when I was really coming up. Each of those different videos tackled a different topic within the video production niche. At the start of that year, I think I was only making about $200 a month on YouTube. By the end of the year, I had a successful YouTube channel making well over $2,000 a month on YouTube, right? The reason I say semi-successful because, that's actually just the surface. A lot of people would be over the moon having a channel generating, $2K a month, and I definitely was as well, but the beauty of YouTube is that's really like the entry point to YouTube money. So stuff can get really crazy if you can leverage the power of niche content, creating evergreen videos, which we're about to talk about next, and of course, using search engine optimization to get the algorithm and the search results working for you. Let's jump into number two, evergreen videos. So number two, we're jumping into building a catalog of evergreen videos and how you can leverage that to your favor. I only uploaded 50 new YouTube videos in 2021. The majority of my revenue was generated from my catalog of content, the videos I'd uploaded already. I've made over 650 videos in my specific niche. These videos are evergreen, which means they're content that's not just relevant today, but relevant in a month, relevant in a year. They're videos that answer a question within my niche. What's the best free video editing software? How do I learn Adobe Premiere Pro? How do I make money from video production as a freelancer? All of them tackle a different popular topic within my specific niche, and they're evergreen videos, just like I said. They're topics that can provide value to somebody in a year, just like they can provide value today. Making evergreen videos means you're putting out content that has a lifespan far beyond just a day, a week, a month, whatever the case may be. This means that you're generating views well into the future just from that same piece of content that you made, could be a year ago. I still have videos right now that are generating thousands of views a day that I made in 2019, for example. I even took 3 months off YouTube this year. I didn't upload a YouTube video for 3 straight months. And this channel still generated between $1,500 and $2,000 a month, more or less passively, literally just off the catalog of content I'd already uploaded. The catalog of evergreen videos, which are already on the search results in my niche, generating views regardless of if I upload a new video. Make sure you're creating relevant content within your niche about popular topics around your genre, around your niche, that are just as relevant in a year as they are today. Make sure they're high search volume topics, things people are actually searching for, stuff people genuinely want to know. And over time, as you slowly build a catalog of evergreen videos within your niche, you establish your channel as a go-to place to find out answers about that niche. I established myself as a go-to destination to find out about video production, to find out about tutorials on how you can do specific effects, to find out how you can monetize your passion through building a freelance business, all around the video production niche. This does seem to be a little bit easier with educational content and how-to content opposed to entertainment content, right? However, it can also be utilized in entertainment content. You just have to get a little bit creative with it, right? Obviously, educational content is the easiest to do it because people are literally searching how to use Photoshop, for example, and then boom, you can position yourself on the search result to capture that attention. So it's a little bit trickier with entertainment-based videos, but it can still 100% be done. All right, so continuing on, we've got number 3. Number 3 is search engine optimization. This is how you can build a much more reliable, dependent source of views, opposed to just, sitting around waiting for, your subscriber count to grow so your subscribers generate views. This is how you get views outside of your initial subscriber base, and this is how you actually grow your subscriber base. One of the key factors for the success of this channel has been positioning. Positioning my videos on the search results so that when you're searching for topics within my niche, like I said, for years it was video production, nonstop, video editing, videography, how to make money with video production. It was video production content. So the next thing I did is I found a bunch of titles and topics within my niche of video production that people were actually searching for. And through search engine optimization, SEO, which is, a very simple combination of, keywords, essentially just doing some keyword research into, popular search phrases within your niche. Through harnessing that, I was able to position my videos on the search results to take advantage of high search volume topics within my niche. For example, best free video editing software, or learn Premiere Pro, or how to make money making videos. These phrases were being searched heavily within my niche, so I would create massive amounts of content around that and make sure I had the titles optimized to appeal to those people. I had the descriptions optimized, the tags optimized, all revolving around these high search volume phrases. The key here is not only finding topics that people are actually searching for within your niche and the type of content you make, but also packaging that video in a clever way. A solid, appealing title that makes them want to click on the video. A very nice, flashy thumbnail that initially grabs their attention and starts making them look at your video opposed to all the other videos on the search result. Putting some proper consideration into the actual tags of that video. An amazing tool I'd advise you to get is vidIQ. vidIQ will suggest you titles, it'll suggest you keywords, all helping you with the SEO and simplifying the process. Every single video of mine, you might also know that I do like a nice little paragraph, a nice little write-up in the description, and I pack it shamelessly with a bunch of keywords. All of this goes into building a proper search engine optimized video so that all those keywords are in there, they're in the metadata, you're even saying some of the keywords in the video, right? Video production, make money making videos, whatever the case may be. And then, lo and behold, that video starts to gain traction on the search results, and you actually have a source of views which is controllable. You're not sitting around waiting for a shout out. You're not, trying to grow your subscribers so just your subscribers can watch it. All of a sudden, you've positioned it on the search results, and it's a high search volume topic. For example, like my biggest video, best free video editing software, 8-something million views. That was the #1 search result for free video editing software, which I identified, again, through just doing some basic research within my niche. I identified that that was an extremely high search volume phrase or high search volume topic that I should be making content around so I can capture some of that viewership. They can come to my channel, convert to a subscriber, and then also start watching the other catalog of, again, evergreen content that's going to be relevant to them because all the content is in the same niche. And that's exactly how it happens. Eventually it snowballs and you've got a real solid foundation of evergreen videos that are search engine optimized all within a specific niche, and boom, you have a catalog of content that's generating very, very significant revenue, and all of a sudden you've got a consistent business on your hands just through tackling those specific 3 topics. So let's recap. We're creating niche content, aka we have established ourselves in a niche. For me, it was video production, and we start pumping out lots, high volume of content within that niche. Then what we're doing is we're creating evergreen videos. So we're not just pumping out videos in that niche that are, relevant today or have some sort of small lifespan. We're creating content that's going to be able to be viewed and provide value to people for years to come so that we can build, a little army of videos which are all still working, right? Regardless of if I make new content. Like I said, I took 3 months off YouTube this year. I still made a very tasty salary, which, pays my rent, takes care of my expenses off the back of the evergreen catalog of content that I've created. These videos are still generating, views. As I sit here making this video, creating more evergreen content, somebody in the world, multiple people, are watching old videos on my channel that are part of my catalog, and I literally look at them as like mini soldiers. You build up an army of videos, and then all of a sudden, you don't even necessarily have to be uploading as much. That army of videos is out there working for you, generating views, generating revenue, and continuing to the success of your YouTube channel, all through establishing yourself as a key channel within a niche, uploading evergreen videos, and then finally, search engine optimization. Actually putting a little bit of research and time into the metadata of those videos, right? Writing a nice keyword-packed description, researching a nice attention-grabbing title, spending a bit extra time on that thumbnail to make sure your video appeals to people in the search result and you can capture that traffic. And, you know, obviously doing your solid research on your tags, your description, your title, your thumbnail. Those are the key elements. And all of a sudden, you then, you know, get some bangers. I've got, you know, videos with millions and millions of views that, again, are still generating thousands of views every single day by creating content in a niche, by building a catalog of evergreen videos, and by optimizing them for the search results. That simple formula right there, which is extremely controllable, anybody can do it, you can build a channel which is a profitable YouTube channel. And that right there is how I was able to generate over $30,000 last year in 2021 off a YouTube channel that I only uploaded about 50 videos to. It's how I was able to take some nice time out this year to focus on some other businesses that I'm involved in, and my YouTube business, the one I built off, you know, a laptop and a camera, was still generating very significant revenue off the back of that evergreen catalog of videos in a specific niche that were search engine optimized, SEO'd. They were optimized to continue generating traffic well into the future. And that right there is the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. Peace.